Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Sabr Springs by Fatima. Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, the story of patience and trust. A young man tested by life's greatest trials, betrayal, false accusations, and imprisonment. But through every hardship, he held on to trust in Allah's plan. Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam was the beloved son of Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam. His wisdom and beauty were a blessing, but also a cause of jealousy among his brothers. His brothers, envious of their father's love for Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, begged their father, Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam, to send Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam along with them to play. They promised to take good care of him, but there was a hidden evil plan. One night, Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam came to his father with a special dream of how 11 stars, the sun, and the moon prostrated to him. Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam understood that this was a sign of great future, advised Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam to keep the dream to himself. The next morning, the brothers took Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. Little did Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam know this journey was part of Allah's greater plan. When the brothers were far away from home, grabbed Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, tore away his shirt, and threw him into a deep, dark well. Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam was left in darkness, but he never lost hope in Allah. Travelers passing by through the well found Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam and sold him into slavery in Egypt. Though life was hard, his faith in Allah remained strong. His master treated him with kindness and respect. He trusted Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam's honesty and gave him important responsibilities. Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam grew up to be a beautiful and wise young man. His kindness and wisdom were known by everyone around him. The master's wife noticed the beauty and grace of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. She found herself drawn to his gentle presence and kindness. Yet, Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam remained pure and respectful, keeping his distance with dignity. The master's wife tried to tempt Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam to give in, but he firmly refused. In her frustration, she grabbed his shirt from the back, tearing it. Angered, she falsely accused Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam of wrongdoing, though he remained innocent and pure. An investigation was done. A witness said, if the shirt was torn from front, he was guilty, and if it was torn from the back, then she was lying. The shirt was torn from the back, proving Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam's innocence. Even though the truth was clear, Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam's master chose to imprison him. Deep down, he was grieved. He knew Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam was innocent, but gave in due to pressure. In the prison, Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam turned to Allah with this heartfelt prayer.
قال رب السجن أحب إلي مما يدعونني إليه وإلا تصرف عني كيدهن أصب إليهن وأكن من الجاهلين.
Allah, in His infinite mercy, answered his dua. Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam's dream came true. Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam interpreted the king's dream and rose to power. He was reunited with his beloved father, Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam, and his brother. No matter how dark the trials, keep your trust in Allah. Every hardship carries a hidden blessing. Be patient, be strong. Thank you for watching. For more videos, like, subscribe, and share.